Hello, kids. Artist palette today, our magic paint brushes will teach us colors. Let's paint animals and cars together. Here's a lion. Let's color it yellow. Yellow like the shining sun. Lion. Visual, a bird outline appears. A blue brush paints the bird. Now a bird. Let's paint it blue. Blue like the big sky above. Bird.
Wow. A racing car. Let's paint it red. Red like a shiny apple. A taxi outline drives in. A green brush paints the car. Here comes a taxi. Let's paint it green. Green like fresh grass. Great job, kids. We painted with yellow, blue, red, and green. Learning colors is so much fun with you. Learn colors every day. Subscribe for more fun.